show you the...
Okay, yeah, we are learning something about India. First, Jasmine will tell you yesterday what Jasmine a little bit done and learn about. Colored. What are the things? Show, Jasmine.
I colored a flag.
Okay, so 3 colors of the flag. It is orange, white, and green.
And it's in the middle. There is blue. Tiger cannot see.
Oh, Tiger, you can see? Yeah, you can see. Yeah, yes. Okay, so that's fine. Tiger. So in the middle, that is Ashok Chakra. It is blue. Yeah. So Jasmine, draw it. So very nice, Jasmine. Well done. Then what else you learn? You see? And this way.
I show you
the
tiger.
Okay, it is a tiger. So tiger. So what is this tiger for India? It is a national animal of India.
Yes.
So I cannot see the tiger. So yes, this is the national. This is the Indian national animal. It is tiger. Yeah. Jasmine also colored it. Then what is this, Jessie?
This is the Indian national
bird
called peacock.
Yeah, Jasmine also colored that one. Very nice, Jessie.
This inside
okay.
a real peacock like that.
Okay, you saw that. Okay, great. This one is the national fruit of India.
Called mango. Nom nom nom.
Yum 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 yum. Very good. Then after that, what is this?
This is a
national flower of India.
Called
lotus. That's just also good. This is the it's a panda. It just been created it and just been colored it like Indian flag. That is very nice. Well done, Jasmine. Ashok Chakra, the tummy of this. That's very good. And also about map. Yeah. So this is the Indian map, and she colored it. Yeah, it is Indian. So happy Independence Day. She colored it. Okay, so we learned a lot of things from Jasmine. Now we have to learn something about facts of India. Okay. So, today I will be going to tell you something basic fact about India, so that we know something about India. So, India basically, Indian fact is official name is Republic of India or Bharat, and form of government is Federal Republic government, and capital is New Delhi, and population more than 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion. It is the highest population in all over the world. And official language, there is Hindi, English, and about 21 more official languages are there. And money is rupees, and it's a huge area to 3287590 square kilometer. And major mountain range is Himalayas, and major river is Ganges, Jamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra. And other than that, we already show you the flag. Now we'll go about the geography. It is a part of the continent of Asia. Most of the India forms a peninsula, jetting inside the ocean. The southeast is bordered by Bay of Bengal, and southwest is bordered by Arabian Sea. And the Himalayas is in the topmost part. We will try to show you a little video, if possible, from the BBC. It is very nice to have some idea about India. Very nicely is given there. You can see that also. And there is also, different varieties of things are there in India. Desert in the west, and west jungles in the northeast, and fertile area called Ganges Plain that covered the northern India. This formation also created from soil that was deposited by rivers running from the Himalayas. And some places this layer of slit is over 7,620 meter deep. It is a very fertile area. And that is India's people and culture is a bit, diverse. And society throughout India divided into social rank that is called caste. It is determined by birth, and it is almost no way to change it. And it is a very spiritual country. It has no official religion, but more than 80% Indians are Hindus, and 13% Muslim, and other religions are Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, which all originated. Also Christians lives here. Okay. Now India's nature. The thousands of years since Hindu religion first evolved, respect for the animal life has been an important part of India's belief. Cows is very much respected here. They are even allowed to wander through the cities. So basically you can see that. and there is varied climate zone, and about 65,000 animal species are there, including elephant, python, river dolphins, rhinos, and 12,000 different flowering plants are there. It is the only country in the world where both lion and tigers, only country in the world with both lion and tigers, and also bird watchers paradise. On the coast of the Bay of Bengal is Sundarban, the world's largest mangrove forest. And here, tigers swim in the same river as dolphin, sea turtle, shark, saltwater crocodiles. This unique landscape is constantly under threat as sea levels rises and humans hunt illegally and clear trees for firewood. Himalayas provide a home for some of the India's rarest animals and plants. The most elusive animals is the snow leopard, bears, and blackback live lower down. And in the northeast, tiger and one-horned rhinoceros can be found. Now, a little bit about the Indian government. Indian Parliament government inherited from the British. After independence in 1947, the Congress Party and one family, the Nehru family, dominated politics here. Now, however, many parties compete for the election positions. India's economy is growing fast, and the experts predict it will soon become one of the world's leading market. Now, Indian history. Indians' earliest known civilization is about 5,000 years ago on the Indus River, is what known Pakistan. Now, archaeologists uncovered the remains of two huge cities with brick house, piped water, and sewage system. Nobody knows why, but these cities called Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were abandoned in 1700 BC. Aryan people were farmers from the Central Asia who arrived in India 1500 BC, and they spoke Sanskrit, one of the world's oldest known languages. The Vedic sculptures writing that from the basis of the Hindu religions were written during Aryan's reign. That time they write it. In the 2000 years reign of Gupta Empire, starting in the 4th century of AD art. So what we'll learn now, we will also learn about 2000 year reign of Gupta Empire, starting in the 4th century AD. Art, craft, science, so all things flourished that time. An Indian astronomer, Aryabhatta, determined that the earth revolved around the sun. Can you imagine? That time, so many years back, that time it was known, and Aryabhatta told that earth is just going round and round the sun. Very good, isn't it? This was long before the Western world accepted that theory. So that time Aryabhatta told that. Beginning of 16th century.
Beginning of the 16th century, following a series of the invasions
by Muslim forces, a Mongol leader called Babur
founded the Mughal
Empire. The Mughals oversaw golden age of art, literature, architecture in India,
between
1527 and 1707.
They built roads,
mosques,
gardens, and enormous tombs, including the
Taj Mahal. It is really 7 wonder. You know, Taj Mahal, can I show you? This is the Taj Mahal. So beautiful. Can you see? So I can show you also. Just see how beautiful the Taj Mahal is. Can you see all? The Taj Mahal, yes. This is the Taj Mahal. It is very, very beautiful. Can you see? Yes, it is the reflection you can see. So this is the Taj Mahal. It is very beautiful one. Yeah. Now, then after that, we can, in the late, now can you read, Jessie?
In the late
1400s, European era
arrived in India and began setting up
of trading companies. In 1757, Britain
gained control over the most of country.
Yeah.
Upsprings against
British rule.
Began in 1856 and 1920. The
Famous
by
Mahatma Gandhi
began
non-violent protest
to push the British
out.
In 1947, India had independence.
Yes, that is the 15th August is Independence Day. That is why we are celebrating that, and we are learning about India a lot, isn't it? So it is all about basic facts of India. So, we can, this is the basic fact, but we can learn more and more about India. There is a very beautiful, I'm telling you, it's bbc.co.uk. There is very good teaching resource. You can go there and you can see as a beautiful, I will put the link after, this video I post it, and just have a look on that. It is Introduction to India, and it's a very good picture, very good video, and for learning the child. Me and Jasmine already saw this, and again we will like to learn that. So I will keep that link for you, and please have a look. Okay? So this is all a little bit about India. Please read about it, know about it, and you will see so varieties of things is inside it. Okay? Yes, see? Okay. Well, thank you for listening us and Jasmine. Yeah. And also try like Jasmine to draw something about India. Okay? Bye-bye. See you all.